Hello JJ leaders, that's Mrs. Synergia in the library. Today we're going to see how to record a book for the Texas Book Bash. The first thing we're going to do is go to the Castleberry ISD homepage. From there we're going to go to Libraries, Joy James Elementary Library. And because you're going to be doing this a couple of times, we want to make sure to bookmark. Now to bookmark this page, you would click on the little star in the web page bar, the address bar here. So when you click on it, this pops up. I say yes, I want it in the bookmark bar. And I click done, and now it pops up on my bookmarks bar, and anytime I want to go to the library for Joy James, there it is. Now we're going to go to the catalog. One of the places we can use to go to the catalog would be Library Catalog here or Library Catalog here. Once I click on it, it will take me to Destiny Discover. Now sometimes it doesn't, and I will need to click on the little hamburger and click Destiny Discover. Once I'm in Destiny Discover, I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom and I'm going to look for collections. Now the one that I want to choose is the Texas Book Award List. When you're in the Texas Book Awards list, you can see the different books that we have. Now these books are going to come up and they're going to have a call number or the place where they're located, but we know that they are all located in one place this year. They're over there with the Texas Boot, and they're in the Texas Book Bash books. Now if I click on the Texas Book Bash, this will let me know all the books that I could read in order to qualify for the 10 books for the trip that I want to go to in February. Now to close out of here, I'm going to go to the first area, and it's the Texas Book Bash recording form. I'm going to click there. I'm going to type in my name. I'm going to choose my grade, 3rd. Now one thing that I do want you to be careful with, if you write your name and you just write your first name, I cannot guess who it is and I have to delete it. I need you to put your first and your last name. And you're going to choose your grade, you're going to choose your teacher's name. Choose Ms. Christian, you're going to write the title of the book. And remember, over in the collections, if you don't have the book with you still, you can go to collections and write the title. And then you're going to write a brief summary of the book. Remember, a brief summary, that's the beginning, the middle, and the end. Not every detail that happened, just a brief summary. Once you have typed in your brief summary, you hit submit, and you're done. You can do another one after that. And again, you're going to put in the same information, your name, first and last, pick your grade, pick your teacher, write the title of the book, and write a brief summary of the book that you read. Now I can't wait to have everybody in 3rd, 4th, and 5th join us at the high school in February. So good luck and start recording your books. Thank you. If you have any questions, please stop by the library and let me know.